What is up, guys? Welcome back to a Cars and Subscribers video. So today I'll be showing you the turbo I chose. I'm going to split it up in two videos because the fitment has some little issues I want to address. If you want to use the same parts, you need to know about this. But I cannot show it right now because I'm still busy fixing those small problems. So I'm going to show you which turbo I chose. Also, I'm going to show you in real life because I got it delivered today. So first I'm going to show you the internet description. After that I'm going to unbox the turbo and show it to you guys. And of course I'm going to tell you what I paid for it. So let's go. So this right here is the turbo I chose. The Xona X2C XR7864S. I'll show you the price I paid later. This is just a random website. So here are some pictures. All sizes are here. So if you just want to look at the turbo, just Google this and you'll find everything about it. So this price here is, I think, just for the turbo without the housing. The range is 410 to 820 horsepower, and there's a lot more in the description. I checked everything out, but I'm not gonna do that all in this video. So if you want to find more information, just search this turbo on Google. I'm gonna show you the housing I chose. So there's no picture of it, but right here is the housing I chose. It's an internally wastegated housing. So the turbo is a little bit lighter because they used stainless steel. You got V-band inlets and outlets. You can pivot the whole turbo 360 degrees when you loosen the exhaust housing. And there's some more information about this housing, but also here you can just search this if you want to know which housing I used. So let's go to what I paid for it, and then after that let's go to the real product. So this is what I paid for the turbo. I bought it at AET Turbos in the UK, like I said. Here are the part numbers and the description. Here are the prices, and it ended up being 2,498 British pound. So for Europe that's about 2,750 euros. In dollars I don't know, you'll have to look that up yourself. But this is what I actually paid for it at AET Turbos. So I'll link AET Turbos in the video. The parts you'll just have to contact them if you want them. So this is the turbo itself. This is the exhaust housing. This is actually a bracket to fit the actuator. I'll show that in the next video. But they sell it as well. I think AET gets somebody to CNC this part, and then this was the shipping. So now you've seen the internet description, you've seen what I paid for it, so let's go to the unboxing. So this is the box it came in. As you can see, it's from AET Turbos in the UK. So they do the delivery of the Xona turbos in Europe, I think. There it is. So as you can see, there's no exhaust housing on the turbo. That's because the flange or the adapter I got to mount it onto the engine, the V-band didn't connect directly to the housing. So I'm getting that specially made. I'll explain that later. For now, let me just show you the turbo. In the next video I'll just show you the fitment and how we got it to fit. So yeah, this is the turbo. You also get a nice sticker. This is the part I took off to take off the exhaust housing. There's also 6 bolts with it, but I don't have it right here. So let me take it out. This is a little bit hard. So this is the side shot. I think you can see the Xona logo on the core there. So this is the 7864S Xona rotor turbo X2C, as it says there, X2C. So this is the front of the turbo. Actually the turbo is not that big, like the size. Of course you can see the turbine wheel is pretty big, but the turbo itself it's pretty compact, which makes it really good to fit behind the engine, because there's not all that much room back there. So this is a supercore high flow turbocharger. So the reason I went for the Xona rotor 7864 is because of the Garrett versions of internally wastegated turbos are really hard to get right now. I hear it has to do with the COVID-19. So I contacted some companies and they couldn't deliver the turbo that I wanted. I was looking at the G25 660 and I was looking at the G30 900, also the GTX 30 or 35. At least I was looking at all the internally wastegated ones from Garrett, and they were just really hard to get. So that's when I found out, I think Iris Motorsport uses this one in a kit. Also RPC, a company in Spain, uses this one. So I contacted them, pretty quick they replied, and they could confirm that at least in Spain they use this turbo in the kit. So yeah, I went on and ordered it after I watched the specifications. It has a range from 410 to 820 horsepower. It's ball bearing. So now that you've seen the turbo, I'm gonna leave the fitment problems for the next video. So in the next video I'm gonna show you the complete setup. So that's the turbo with the exhaust housing attached and the adapter attached. For the adapter we couldn't use a 3-inch V-band clamp like they recommended, but we found another clamp we can use. It's an original Volkswagen clamp. So that's all for the next video. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one.